Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. I've been a little busy because I've been trying to learn about this thing called options. All right, I've been trying to learn options, and I'm gonna see if I do a video about explaining to you how to trade options in the stock market. I'm still at the intermediate stage, but trying to learn this stuff. I feel it's important. Um, the main thing is leverage that you get from it, and I'm just trying to learn it to put it under a tool set to trade the stock market. It's pretty interesting. Um, just remember these terms for now: calls and puts. Okay. Um, Call is basically betting on the price of a stock to go up, and puts is you think it's going to go down a certain price, that being the strike price. But anyway, yeah, I've been trying to learn that, and it's pretty interesting to me, and I think you need to get into more of the intermediary stuff in order to make money, but I'm going to keep at it, and it still comes down to mastering your emotions of greed and fear, not to be greedy. Um, it all comes down to that. So I will let you guys know. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll put some more stuff about it up here. And also, it goes back to one of my videos, the video called FAST, F-A-S-T. Whenever you're learning something, always start with a fresh mind as if you've never learned anything about it before, okay? That will help you out immensely. Like if I pick up some more information about it or I hear comments on here, it's like I never learned about it before, is the attitude. Always a fresh, curious mind like a child. Alright, this is Rafi West. You guys take care. Peace.